Hey friends, me Jenny here, and today is an exciting day because we got a new laptop. It's an HP with a dedicated video card and solid state drive and some other super awesome things that are better than my last computer. So yeah, let's do a little unboxing together. I think it's a 60-day warranty or something because we got it at Costco. So I'll try not to tear it apart too bad just in case, but let's see how it is. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh, it's so beautiful. So lightweight. So many papers. So much protection. The battery's not in there just yet. We get to put it in ourselves. Oh, yeah, look at that. Brand new laptop. Okay, so then there's a battery pack in here. All the good things for a new computer. Can't wait to see how much faster it is and how many more videos I'll be able to make. How many more games I'll be able to stream. How many more 3D models I'll be able to make. Yeah. You have to charge the battery first before you leave it turned on?
I don't think so.
Yay, it's not every day you buy a new computer. Wish it was. Hell yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys on the flip side. I'll let you know how this one goes.